Hello, you're welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to upload files to a shared Google Drive. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So looking right here is my Google Drive app. So the first step you need to take is to go to your Google Drive app like this. So right here at the bottom of the screen, you can see where it says upload. Right here, you can see the upload button right here. So you can go ahead and click on upload in order to upload the picture, a video, or a file. So I'm going to click on upload like this. And I'm going to select the video right here. I'm going to select this video and I'm going to name it like this, Fix, and then so that's the name of my file. I'm going to click on upload. So looking right here on the screen, once you're done uploading it on your drive, this is what you need to do. You need to tap on it like this. This is the video. Now clicking on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen like this, and clicking on copy link, you can see that right here. Or you can simply go ahead and click on the share button right here like this. So right here, this is where you are going to allow permissions of people who can actually view this. So you can go ahead and click on manage access like this and change the restriction like this by changing it to anyone with the link, so that when you share the link, anyone with the link would be able to view this video. So you can go ahead and click on this copy link right here at the top right corner and you'll be able to copy it. So you can go ahead and paste this anywhere. So you can go ahead and paste it. Let's say there's my notes now, so you can go ahead and paste it right here. So if you share this link to anyone, they'll be able to view that video that you have already uploaded on your drive. So this is how simple it is to upload files to shared Google Drive link. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. See you in the next one.